How to check Amazon gift card code. Amazon.com is an online marketplace where customers can buy a wide variety of products, including electronics, books, clothing, groceries, and more. When you buy a gift card, you got an email in your email address, which you entered when purchasing gift card. In your email, you will get your gift card code. Now go to Amazon.com in a web browser and sign into your Amazon account. Then click on Account and Lists. Click Gift Card Balance on the menu. Click Redeem a gift card. Enter the claim code and click Apply to your balance. That's it. Thanks for watching.